All right, good afternoon to everybody. Let's start work. Last week we were talking about logic gates, right? During that session, we learned the three basic or the three fundamental logic gates and or not, right? Uh, we learned them, and at the end we drew some logic diagrams with simple logic gates. Then the expression we understood the expression out of the logic diagram you get and the truth table with the switching circuit. I think you have understood it well. And after 7 days, we are meeting today, and I think you may have revised the lesson at home. And I put the video, YouTube video too, for you to go through that again and again. And if you have not done anything during these 7 days, I think you will not be able to move forward with what I'm going to do, right? So you have to do some sort of work at home with regard to number systems and logic gates specifically. So I think you may have done. So let's move forward. Before we move to combinational logic gates, let's try to understand these three basic logic gates by drawing some more logic diagrams. Okay. Still there are 7, some more to come. Right. Till they come, let's move back to our textbook and have a look at it from the beginning till up to the end of the basic logic gates. Right. Here you have your, what do you call this? Right here, logic gates with Boolean functions, right? Introduction, you read it at home. Logic gates, right? Here are the circuits that you create out of the logic gates. Here you have incorporated all the logic gates, right? No, here you have only basic logic gates, or and not, right? In the computer processor, you have these logic gates. Right, then we move to basic logic gates, and or not, right? There you understood the switching circuit of the AND gate, where the switches are located one after the other. Here there are only two switches because we learned only AND gates with 2 inputs, right? If it's an AND gate with 3 inputs, then you have 3 switches and so on. Right, then here it was shown like this: open, close. Open means 0, close means 1. Right, here's the truth table, the logic gate. Here you have a 3 input AND gate, and for which you have two input AND gates. We did this, and this is the truth table of that gate. Right, then we came to the OR gate, where in the switching circuit you have the switches located one down the other, right? So the switching circuit is called the parallel switching circuit that we did, and we went further down. Here you can understand the same one with the 3 input OR gate, or 2 inputs, 2 OR gates. Then we came to NOT gate. This is the switching circuit of the NOT gate, right? Switching circuit of the NOT gate. And I showed you the relay circuit, right? That is the end of the lesson, and we have to move to combinational logic gates, the second step. Before we move to combinational logic gates, let's try to understand some logic diagrams with basic logic gates. Okay. Right. Right, Chandra, can you hear me well?
Oh, sir.
Right, okay. Let's do this. Logic gate, this one, right? අර පොතේ reverse order එකකින් එන්න reverse order එකකින් එන්න right you can put the date today. Where is the date today? 30th May. Let's take one like this. And gate. Then you have another not gate. You have O gate. Then again you have a not gate. This connects this one. This connects this one. This is the output. You have two inputs to this one. Then you have one input to this one, right? Let us imagine that this one is A, this one is B, and this one is C. Let us say that the output is F, right? Right. This is the logic diagram. Now you have to get the expression. Number one expression. What is F, right? F. Then number two, truth table. Truth table. Right? Try to do it. Try to do it. Number of inputs are A, B, C. Right? 3 inputs. That means 2 to the power of 3. Number of patterns 8. Right? Try to write the expression and the truth table. Right. Who got the expression? Dilshan? Datsari.
A dot B plus C bar C full bar.
A dot B O C bar full bar. Yes, I think she is correct. What about Diniti?
A dot B plus C bar full bar.
Right, that's correct. Right, let's do it. Vatsal, okay?
Okay.
Right. Now here you get intermediate values A and B. Don't say dot A and B. Here you get C bar. Up here you get A and B and C bar. Up here you get last one A and B. So this one is O, right? This one is O. O, C bar, full bar. At the exam, you will get it A and B, O, C bar, within brackets, full bar. Like that at the exam, right? This is what you have to understand. That is the expression. That is the expression. Mangitana okotoma endati make. Chandula, did you get the same?
Oh, sir.
Right, okay. Right, let's go. Let's draw the truth table. How the truth table can they? What did you have the truth table? Diniti?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. Right, okay. You can start doing it. Now in the truth table, you have to have 1 column, 2, 3 for the 3 inputs. 4, 5, 6, 7 altogether. මේ හරි දාපු ගානට හරියන්න columns තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 columns. 7 columns, right? Right, start doing it. They are A, B, C inputs. Then A and B, then down there. So before that, you can have C bar. C bar, then A and B, then A and B, O, C bar, then A and B, O, C bar, full bar, right? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. There are 3 inputs. there are 3 inputs, number of inputs is equal to n, then you know the number of inputs 3. So you get 3 to 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. So what are the patterns you get? One can tell me the patterns. Let me. 0, 0, 0, first one. 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 1. This is what you get. Then C bar. Right, C bar. C bar means we have to invert C. If C is 0, C bar is 1. Let's have a different color. C bar is 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Right. එතකොට මේ C bar means the inversion of C. C වල අනිත් පැත්ත අනුපූරකය. Right, then you get A and B. A and B, these two. මේ දෙන්න AND කරන්න ඕනේ. So in that case you get A and B. In green I will have 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1. Right. Then A and B, and then you have to do ORing with C bar. C bar take O කරන්න ඕනේ මේ දෙන්න. A and B is found then with C bar. Right. Then 1 or 0, 1. So let's have that in a different color. Say this one. 1, 0 or 0, 0. 1 or 0, 1. 0 or 0, 0. 1 or 0, 1. 0 or 0, 0. 1 or 1, 1. 0 or 1, 1. There is what the output. Then last one. Inversion of this one. A and B or C bar එකේ අනිත් පැත්ත full bar නිසා. ඒකේ අනිත් පැත්ත. Then 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. This is the truth table. Truth table එක ඔන්න ඕක. හරි. ඒතරම් බලන්න okay, you have to write the expression and the truth table. Is it okay? කවුරු හරි කරන් තිබ්බද? නුලාරා? It's okay. Right. You can make a note of this one. Have a note of this one. Is it okay? Let's move to the next one. Kavindu, finish.
Yes, sir.
Right, okay, let's move to the next one. Right. Second one. This. And gate. Another AND gate. Not gate. Then you have the input here. Input. Then the other input to this one. Then this one moves like this. And the other one. Right. මෙතනදී තියෙන්නේ AND gate දෙකයි OR gate එකයි NOT gate එකයි. හරි. Right. Number 1 F. What is F? Number 2 truth table. Truth table. Right. Try to do it. ආදාන දෙක නිසා truth table එක ලේසි. තීරු තියෙන්නේ 1 2 3 4 5 6. Only 6. Right. Try to do it alone. Big. Kiki. Right, වත්සලයක මට එවලා තියෙනවා, that's correct. වත්සල මට ඒක එවලා තියෙනවා, it's correct. What about the truth table? Methmi, did you finish the truth table? No, I didn't hear her.
No, sir.
Is that so right? Diniti?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. Chandula, what about the truth table?
සර් තව ටිකක් හදනවා.
Is that so right? Try to do it correctly. Write the expression. What is the expression? Here you get a bar. Vatsala video on vela. A bar B. Then here you get A Here comes B. Then here you will get A bar and B. And down here you get A and B. Then the final output is A bar and B for A and B. This is the final output. And the victim also right? Right, this is what you get. Right, truth table. Here you can have A, B, then A bar, then you get A bar and B, then you get A and B, then you get A bar and B or A and B. This right, this is what you get. Here you have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then A bar is, what is it? A is 0, 0, 1, 1. Then A bar is 1, 1, 0, 0. The inversion of that part. Then A bar and B, these two. These two ending. Here you get 0 and 1, 0. 1 and 1, 1. 0 and 0, 0. 1 and 0, 0. Then you get A and B, these two. A and B you get 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1. Then the final output you get these two ORing. Right? These two. Right? Then 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Right? That is the final output you get. Moka labunu ay band kiyanna? Chandra, did you get it? Diniti?
Yes, sir.
Right, Gatsari, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay, good. Dilshan? Kavindu?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. Right, that is the output. Let's move to the next one. Right? Right, this one. Let's take forget. Then up here, not get. And here, let us have two not gates into this. Right, then here you have another AND gate to which you join this. Then you have another AND gate here, into which this runs. This one also runs to this one. Right here you have, let us take, this time let's take XY. Output is, let's say, Z. Right? Whether at the exam, we will have different capital English letters. Right? XY are the inputs and Z is the output. So you have to get Z expression. And second one, truth table. Right? Try to do it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gates. 6 gates. Right, finish. X bar O Y. Right, Vatsala has sent me the expression. That is correct. That is correct. Right, Metmi, did you get the expression? Boolean expression?
Yes, sir.
What is it? Gatsari?
Yes, sir.
What is the expression? Tell me that.
X, O, Y, bar, bar, and X and Y.
There's something more to be added. Let's talk over that later. Diniti, did you get it? Nulara?
X bar plus Y bar and X and
Right, there is a signal case. Kavindu? Right, let's look at it. Up here you get X bar. Here you get Y bar. Then here you get X bar O Y bar. As it's an OR gate, you have to put a bracket. Right? It should be within brackets. That is compulsory. Why? If OR gates occur before AND gates, then the expression that comes out of the OR gate should be within brackets. Anivaryam AND gate වලට කලින් OR gate තිබ්බොත් ඒ OR gate හරහා එන expression එක අනිවාර්යෙන් within brackets. Right? Within brackets. නැත්නම් වැරදි. Right, then down here you get X. Now here it will be X, Y. So it will be X and Y. X and Y. That you can put within brackets. So let it free. Right, then here you get, now here you get X bar O Y bar full bar. Right, then finally you get X bar O Y bar within brackets full bar. This one becomes and then down here you get X and Y. You can put this within brackets. That is not necessary. That is not necessary. Right? You can leave it without brackets. So put it within brackets. Right? මෙන්න මේ bracket එක අනිවාර්යයි. What is it? මෙන්න මේකේ තියෙන bracket එක අනිවාර්යයි. ඒක තිබ්බ නැත්නම් වැරදි. ඒක bracket කරලා තිබ්බ නැත්නම් වැරදි. So you can write the expression X bar O Y bar full bar and X and Y. Or the other one is X bar O Y bar full bar and X and Y. This one expression. Right, okay. Right, let's move to the truth table. Here the truth table is X, Y, then X bar, y bar, then you get within brackets x bar or y bar, then you get down there x and y, then again you get x bar or y full bar, then finally you get x bar or y bar full bar and x and y. Right. Online එකේ roll ගහන්න අමාරුයි. Right. Okay. පුට්ට ලස්සන කෙරුවා. Right, let's do it. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Here you get x bar. X bar means let's have a different color. X bar means 1 1 0 0. 1 1 0 0. Then y bar 1 0 1 0. Then let's move to x bar or y bar. These two 1 1 1 0. Then let's get x and y. X and y. You get 0 0 0 1. Then let's have this one. X. So they make an inversion of this one. Inversion of this one. So 0 0 0 1. Make any pet. Make it by. So the last one is these two ending, right? Then it will be what is it? Ending 0 0 0 1. This is what you get. Right? Is it okay? Did you understand it? කාටරි ඕක ලැබුණාද? Hands up those who got the same.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, truth table එකේ උඩ තියෙන වගේ පිළිවෙල වෙනස් වුණාට කමක් නැද්ද?
උඩ තියෙන ඒවායි පිළිවෙල වෙනස් වුණොත් ඔයාට ටිකක් පැටලෙන්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා. හරි? ෆයිනල් එක නම් තියෙන්න ඕන කෙලවරේමයි මැද්දේ තියන්න බෑ. ෆයිනල් එක කෙලවරේ තියෙන්නේ මැද්දේව චුට්ටක් එහෙම වුණා කියලා ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. බෙන් මෙතන මේ x bar or y bar එකට පස්සේ ඒක ඉන්වර්ෂන් එක අරගෙන x and y පස්සේ ගත්තට ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. ආදාන ටික මතක තියාගන්න වරද්දන්න බෑ. xy ඒ පිළිවෙලට 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 ඒ විදිහට එන්න ඕනේ. ෆයිනල් අවුට්පුට් එකත් එතනම තියෙන්න ඕනේ. ඉන්ටර්මීඩියට් වැලියුස් ටිකත් බොහෝ දුරට පිළිවෙලට ගන්න. හරි?
හරි sir.
පිළිවෙලට ගන්න. අර දෙක මාරුනට කමන්නේ නැද්ද? That is okay. Right. තව එකක් අපි කරලා අපි යමු combinational logic gates වලට. මේක හරියට සටහන් දාගත්ත නේද? Right. Last one. Write this up. And gate. At the same time, you get O gate. Then again you get AND gate. Up here you get AND gate. Up here you get input. Yeah. Input. Here you get A, B, C. That is the output. Right? එතන බලන්න මේක ටිකක් සංකීර්ණ ගතියක් තියෙනවා. නමුත් අමාරු නැහැ. It is not difficult. It is not difficult. So you have to get F truth table. Right? Try to do it. Right, Mudinji? Right, I have got a message from me. That's wrong. උතන වරහන් තියෙන ඒවාත් තියෙනවා. You have to have brackets. Right, now you have to check with me. Right here you will get A and B. Here you get VOC. That should be within brackets. That is compulsory. Right? Definitely it should be within brackets because OR gate before AND gate. AND gate ekකට කලින් OR gate එකයි තියෙන්නේ. So it's within brackets. Down here you get C and B. Then here you get, right here you have another gate. So you have to have the output over here. It will be VOC within brackets and C and B. So let's put this also within brackets. Then you can understand it easily. ये देख अनिवार्य नहीं है. में BOC अनिवार्य है. Then final one is up A and B. This one O. Again you have B, O, C and C and B. This is the final output. Right. It could be like this: A and B, O, B, O, C, and C and B. Or it could be A, B, O, B, O, C, and C, B. This way. All are correct. All are correct. Or it can be A, B, O, B, O, C, C, B. Dot එක නැති වුණාට ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. ඒක තේරෙනවා එතන. It is implied. අන්තර්ගතයි අපි ලියන්නේ නැහැ. Right. So you have to understand this one. Here you don't have not gates, only AND gates and OR gates. Right. Let's have the truth table. A, B, C. Then A and B, then B, O, C within brackets, then C and B, then you get B, O, C and C and B, then final one you get A and B, O, B, O, C and C and B. It's a long one. Right. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Then A and B, A and B, A and B, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. My and you understand it. Then B and C, BOC, BOC, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Then C and B, C and B, C and B, these two. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Is it okay? Right, next one. Let's have this one. These two ending. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then last one. Let's have a different color. This one. Right. Last one. This right 1, 2. See, right then these two ending. No, ori 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. I might have made mistakes in this. Met me.
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. Gatsari.
සර් අන්තිම එකට කලින් එකට 1 නෙමේ දෙන්නේ.
කොයි එකද?
අර මේ අන්තිම එකේ අර එක්ස්ප්‍රෙෂන් එක ලියන එකේ අන්තිමට 1 කියලා දාලා තියෙන්නේ ඒකට උඩ 1 නෙමේද?
අවසානයේකට කලින් එකද?
අවසාන කොලම් එකේ අන්තිම රෝ එකට කලින් රෝ එකේ.
මේක 1. ඒකේ ඒක 0 0 නේ මෙතන තියෙන්නේ. 0 and 0 0 නේ. මෙතන වැරදිලා දෙන්න. මේ දෙකේ බලමු මේ දෙක චෙක් කරලා. So these two 0 ඒක n වෙන්නේ 0 0 1. මෙතන නෑ එතන 0 එන්නේ පුතේ. මේ දෙක මේ මේක n කරලා දෙන්නේ මෙතන. ending කරලා දෙනකොට මෙතන 1 and 0 0. ඒතර මේ අවසානයේ හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ මෙයාගෙනුයි. ඔය දෙකෙන් අවසානයේ හැදෙන්නේ. හරිද? ගත්සරි.
හරි සර්.
ආයෙසර බලන්නේ මට කොහෙද වැරදිලා මුල වැරදිලා තියෙනවද දන්නේ 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. That's correct. A and B 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, that's correct. B O C this O-ring 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. That's correct. C and D means these two ending. 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, that's correct. These two means these two, that is also ending there 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, that's correct. Right, that is correct. Right. එහෙනම් අපිට ලොකු වෙලාවක් ගියා ඒ ටික කරන්න. නමුත් ඒ ටික කරන්න ඕන මොකද you have to understand it well. I will give you another one to do it at home. ගෙදරදී කරන්න එකක් දෙන්නම් මේක සපහන් කරගන්න. You can do it at home. Homework, right? Homework. Right, homework. There are 4 inputs. There are 4 inputs. So you have to find F, second one, truth table. මම මේක කරන්න යන්නේ 4 inputs නිසා truth table එක අඳින්න ටිකක් අමාරුයි. අමාරු කියන්නේ ඉඩමදි. Right, you can do it, Tom. චන්දුල මයික් එක ඔන් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මයික් එක මම නම් මෙහෙන් ඩිසේබල් කරලා නැහැ. ඔයාගේ මොකක් හරි ඩිවයිස් එකේ ගැටලුවක් ඇති. චන්දුල right, okay, did you make a note of it? Right, okay. Right, then let's move to today's lesson. It is the lesson is අර පිටිපස්සමයි ලියාගන්නේ පොතේ. Combinational logic gates. Combinational logic gates. Right. When we have combinational logic gates, that is created by 3 logic gates. Now you know this one is the AND logic gate. This is the OR logic gate, and this is the NOT logic gate. Right. Here you have 2 or more inputs. In the case of these 2 or more inputs. In the case of this one, only single input, single output gate made in. Not gate means single input, single output, right? But and then OR gates are 2 or more inputs, right? Right, you understand it, right? Out of these three, we can create some more logic gates. Those logic gates are called combinational logic gates. Combinational logic gates. So first we are gonna create this one. What is it? We are gonna create NO gate. NO gate. Here we combine 2 gates together, right? We combine NOT gate to OR gate. Then that is called the combinational logic gate. So for example, NOT OR gate, right? First, let's have the simple gate. It is combined like this. So first you get OR gate, then you get NOT gate. Now you can see the 2 gates separately, right? A, B. Output is, let's say, F, that's equal to A, O, B, full bar, right? Okay, the output. There is the output. So we combine කරන්න යන්න gate දෙක. There is the combination, right? So for this, make a combine කරන්න ගියාම, when you combine this, what do you call this? Give me 1 minute. right? When you combine them, you have to have the, let us have the switching circuit, right? Switching circuit inside this one. You have a switching circuit inside this. So let's take it out and see what is the switching circuit, right? Now you know that you have bulb. Right here you have two switches. Two switches. They are A, B. Right? This is the resistor. Not gate ekata not gate not switching circuit එකේ ට දාලා තියෙනවා මොනවද මේ switches දෙකක් දාලා තියෙනවා. switches දෙකක් දාලා තියෙනවා. ඕක තමයි switching circuit එක මේ no එකේ. No එකේ. I made a mistake. 1 minute. මගෙන් the end එකේ switching circuit එක AB. Right. This is the switching circuit of the no gate. Right. Then you have to have the truth table. When you take the truth table, it should be A, B, then A and B, then A and B full power. Right. They are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then here you get 0, 0, 0, 1. Here you get 1, 1, 1, 0. Right. Make a note of this one.
Sir, reverse order again.
Yes, yes. Yes, reverse order. මෙතනත් තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේද? This one. This one. මේකත් අපි එක ලියාගමුකෝ. Switch A, switch B, bulb. Off, off. මොකද වෙන්නේ? What happens? Off, off. Bulb එක on. Here you can see a complete circuit. Switches දෙක off වෙලා තියෙද්දි circuit එක complete වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. Then this one is off, this one is on. එක පැත්තකින් complete circuit එකක් වෙනවා. Then the bulb is off. චුට්ටක් ඉන්න එක මට වැරදුනා. Right, give me 1 minute. Right, ඔයාලා අඳ ගන්නකො මේක. ඔයාලා අඳ ගන්නකො. ඉතින් truth table එක මම වරද්දලා තියෙන්නේ. අපරෙන් දෙන්නේ. I got O gate. O gate here. It should be I have made a mistake. Switching circuit ගැලපෙන්නේ නැතුව මම බැලුවේ. Right, okay. Here 0. This one should be O. මම මේක AND එකක් කියලා හිතාගෙන දාලා තියෙන්නේ. ඔයාලා කීවෙත් නෑ right. දැන් මම මේ check කරලා බලන්න right 0 O 0 0 0 O 1 1 1 O 0 1 1 O 1 1. Then here the inversion of that one. Right, then 1 0 0 0. Switching circuit at the right. Okay, now it's okay. Now here A B bulb. Then this one is off. This one is off. A B are in off position. Then the bulb will be on. A is off, B is on, the bulb will be off. Circuit short circuit about. Then this one is on, this one is off, again off. This one is on, this one is on, again off. This is what happens in the case of the switching circuit, right? Switching circuit again, right. වෙලාවට ඒක අහුනේ නැත්නම් මටත් හොයාගන්න බෑ right. එහෙම අඩුවක් දැක්කොත් කියන්න සමහර කවුරු හරි දකින්න ඇති මේකේ මේ අඩුව right okay. Let's do it. Right now it's you can complete it. This is the OR gate. Not for. Right, මේ අන්තිමට ලියපු ටික no gate එකේ ඕන නියම no gate එක. අර ඉස්සෙල්ලා අපි ගත්තේ not or gate එක. Now you can see the NOR no gate and the truth table. එහෙනම් no gate එක වල විභාගෙ දුන්නොත් මේ truth table එකත් not or gate එක දුන්නොත් මේ truth table එකත් විදිය වෙනස් වෙනවා. right? ඒ දෙක සටහන් කරගන්න. Right, is it okay? Vatsala, did you finish?
Yes, sir.
Right. එහෙනම් ඔයාලා මතක තියාගන්න not or gate එකේ truth table එක ඔයාලගේ දකුණු පැත්තේ තියෙනවා no අපි combinational logic gate එකේ truth table එක වම් පැත්තේ තියෙනවා එතන දකුණු පැත්තේ තියෙනවා එතනදී තීරු 3යි තියෙන්නේ not or එකේ තීරු 4යි. විභාගෙදී ඕවා අහනකොට අරගේ තීරු 3යි මේකේ තීරු 4යි වෙන වෙනම gate තියෙනකොට තීරු ගන්න වැඩි වෙනවා. When they are combined the number of columns you get will be reduced. Right, that is what happens. Right, let's move to the next one. Right, next one is called AND gate. Not AND gate, right? Not AND gate. There you use this one, you get the AND gate, and you combine it with NOT gate. This is the NOT AND gate AB. Here you get A and B full mark. Here you get A and B, right? So here too you have a switching circuit, right? If you take it out, it will be like this switching circuit. Bulb, switches A, B, right? And battery. This is the switching circuit of this one, right? Then you have to have the truth table for this one. Now here you get A, B, bulb, right? A is off, B is off. What will happen? Bulb on. A is off, B is on. What will happen to the bulb? On. On, off. What happens to the bulb? On. On, on. Arm break circuit එක එනවා. Switch දෙකම complete වෙනවා. So short circuit, then off. Then off. So the truth table is A, B, then A and B, then A and B full bar. මේ ටිකම ගන්න වෙනවා. Right, you get 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Here you get 0, 0, 0, 1. ඉස්සෙල්ලාගේ මට හඳුනේ මෙන්න මේක. Right, then here 1, 1, 1, 0. Inversion of that. Right, make a note of these two. Make it note එකක් දාගන්න. Right, on your right side you have the NAND gate and the truth table. On your left side you have the NOT AND gate and the truth table. Right, finish. Dilshan, okay?
Yes, sir.
Right, let's move to the next one. Right, next one means now you have completed the logic diagrams, 3 basic gates and the 2 combinational gates. And now we are going to do this. Now we have to do this. Let's do this. Right, show that the following logic diagrams are the same by writing Boolean expressions and constructing a truth table. Right here. First one is this. Right. I do it. මේ දෙක අංග සම බව ඔප්පු කරලා පෙන්නනවා. show that කියලා කියන්නේ ඒක තමයි. Right? You have to have a truth table and the logic expressions. That is in your book. That is in your book. I try to do it. What is the logic expression? In the case of the first one, what is the logic expression? Gatsari?
AO BO
A-O, B-O, C, full bar. A-O, B-O, C, full bar. Chatura. Next one. Chatura is not there. Chandula. AOB. Here you get AO, BO, C. Here you get AO, BO, C. Full bar again. The same one is out there. So you can, if necessary, you can have put this within brackets. Take a right? Take another jet woman, right? Right. So මේ දෙක දැන් truth table එකකින් පෙන්නන්න ඕනේ. Using a truth table. So let's try to do it. A, B, C. All right. Then AOB, then you get AOB, OC, then you get AOB, OC, Ulma, then you get AOBOC, Ulma. Right, okay. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Then AOB, these two, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then AOB, OC, these three. Make Aragata, then make these two, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then here you get the inversion of that one, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Because AOBOC full bar AOBOC full bar 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. ඒක inversion එක 1. Marker form. 0 or 0 or 1. 1, the inversion is 0. 0 or 1 or 0, 1, inversion 0. Here 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So you can say this one is equal to this one. Anga samayokam. Okay, tama satyapane වෙන්නේ. Okay, tama satyapane කරන. Show that the two expressions are the same. Right? Right. Okay, tama පොතේ දීලා තියෙන්නේ අභ්‍යාස විදියට. Right. Right. I did the combinational logic gates. Then we drew some logic diagrams using basic logic gates. And next day, I intend to give you expressions. Then you have to write, draw logic diagrams, right? With both basic logic gates and combinational logic gates. So you have to go through the lesson in the book, right? You go through the lesson for what you call this two logic gates, combinational logic gates, right? Truth tables and everything in the book, so that we will be able to, when I give you the logic Boolean expressions, you must be able to draw the design the logic diagram for that. So I will wind up the class because I have the next class now. So good night to everybody.